Pronouns on point. Mastering the nominative case. Hello, language learners. Today, we're going to delve into the fascinating world of English grammar, focusing specifically on pronouns in the nominative case. It might sound a bit technical, but trust me, with a bit of practice, you'll master it in no time. To start off, let's understand what we mean by nominative case. In English grammar, the nominative case is used for pronouns that are the subject of a sentence. The subject is the person or thing doing the action, like I, you, he, she, it, we, and they. Now let's look at some examples of pronouns in the nominative case. I love this book. Here, I is the subject of the sentence. She is a talented artist. In this sentence, she is the subject, doing the action of being a talented artist. We are going to the park. Here, we is the subject, doing the action of going to the park. Remember, these pronouns, I, you, he, she, it, we, and they, are all examples of nominative case pronouns because they are the ones doing the action. People often get confused when using pronouns after linking verbs like is, are, was, were. But don't worry, we've got this covered. Incorrect. It's me who has done the work. Correct. It's I who have done the work. While it might sound more natural to say me, the correct usage after a linking verb is the nominative case pronoun I. And that's a wrap on our lesson about pronouns in the nominative case. Remember, it's all about identifying who or what is doing the action in the sentence. Practice makes perfect, so try to use these in your everyday conversations and writing. Keep practicing and happy learning.